Hi, in this video, we'll be talking about string searching methods. We can use the method find to find the index at which the substring passed as the first argument is found in the string, or in the slice between the index defined by the start and passed optional parameters, if these optional parameters are given. If the substring is not found, the method returns -1. Have a look. Here we have a string. And now, where is me in the string? Let's find out. Text find me. So here we're using just one argument, which means the whole string will be searched. Now the answer is 5 at index 5. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is 5. And now, where is I between index 6 and the end? So, text find I between index 6 and the end. It's at index 8. Or, how about this? Text find where is U between index 3 and 6. So we have to use 7. -1. So the find method searches the string from the beginning to the end. We have another method which works just like find. It's rfind. The difference is it works backward. Rfind returns the last index at which the substring is found, or -1 if it's not found. The optional start and passed parameters work just the same. So let's take this string over here. Okay. And now let's find out where the period is. So print text rfind the period. Now starting from the right. So the period is at the index 60. Now let's find the index of the last period between index 20 and 39. So start index 20, past index 40. It's at index 39. A very similar method is index, which takes string as a parameter, and the two optional parameters start and past are used for slicing again. It works just like find, but if the substring is not found, a value error is raised. So as you remember, find returns -1 if the substring is not found. Index returns a value error. Have a look. Here we have a simple text, a simple string, and now let's use the index method, text index, to find me. No problem here, because this substring is found in this string. But what about this? Text index me, but this time it should be searched between index 0 and 4. Value error, substring not found. Well, there's also rIndex, which works just like index but backward. It also raises an error if the substring is not found. So again, here we have a string, fine. And now let's use rIndex to find the word it. Text rIndex it. 36. Fine. Now, the next two methods, max and min, return the maximum and minimum alphabetical character respectively. Each character in Unicode is represented by a number, hence the order. Have a look. Text equals Python. Now max of text is Y. This is the character with the maximum Unicode value. How about min? H. And what about Python spelled with the capital first letter and all the other letters as small characters? Max. So we're going to use a string literal. Python. It's Y. How about min? It's capital P. This is because uppercase letters come before lowercase letters. Okay, and another example. Here we have a text like this. I need 12 bottles. And now what's the max? Max of text is T. How about min? Min of text is a space. Spaces are earlier than digits and letters. Now, as for digits and letters, the order is digits, uppercase letters, lowercase letters. Have a look. See, this is the maximum value because, as just mentioned, we have digits, then uppercase letters, and then lowercase letters. Now let's change this to min. And this is what we get. Okay, that's it for this video. If you like it, a thumbs up would be great. Also, make sure to subscribe for future videos. If you want to leave a comment or ask a question, you're welcome to do so. Thanks for watching.